Jet washing dishes for Mama. Put some more in, Jet. Wash the dishes. Yep. No, you get the one that's in the sink. Rinse this out right here. Look. Rinse these out and put it in the sink, and then put it in the dishwasher. See? Put that in the dishwasher. Okay. Yep. Put it in the dishwasher. There you go. Rinse real good, baby. Put it in the water. Put it under the water. Get some other one. Yeah, get another one. Good job. Thank you. It's all right. Get another one. Say, I did it. Thank you.